Welcome to MTI-TV. Today we're discussing choosing the right grout for your project. I'm joined by our business manager for grouts, caulks, and care and maintenance, David Mowery. Welcome, David. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you, Sam?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Are you ready to talk all things grout? David, I know that choosing the right grout is critical, and MAPEI has a wide variety of different grouts. So how does someone decide which one to use, and where do you even begin?
All good questions, Sam. To help select the best grout for the job, you need to know specific details about the installation. There are several important factors that need to be considered. First is location. Is this a commercial or residential project? Is it interior or exterior?
And you need to know the type of installation you're going to be doing. Is it a high traffic area? Is the installation below a water line in a pool, fountain, or spa? Maybe it's in a kitchen backsplash, or maybe you're grouting a bathroom floor. Is it tile or is it stone? The installation type is important to know when you're selecting your grout.
That's right. You have to be careful because certain tile and stone can scratch very easily. There are also a few other additional variables that should be considered that are installer specific. For instance, what's the skill level of the installer? How much time do you have to complete the project?
So aside from all those job site variables we just discussed, there are other ways to determine which grout to use. The American National Standards Institute, ANSI, has established grout standards that put grout in specific classifications. In addition, the Tile Council of North America, the TCNA, established environmental exposure classifications for both residential and commercial installations. Both of these classification systems assist tile contractors and DIYers alike to select the best grout for their installation. So considering those factors, let's look at MAPEI's grouts, starting with the basics. MAPEI has two ANSI 118.6 standard Portland cement grouts, Keracolor U and Keracolor S.
That's right. Keracolor U, which is an unsanded grout, and Keracolor S, which is a sanded grout. Both grouts are Portland cement grouts. Keracolor U is best used with scratch-sensitive tiles where the gap ranges from 1/16 to 1/8. For Keracolor S, the gap ranges from 1/8 up to 5/8 of an inch. And this grout would not be recommended on scratch-sensitive tile stone. From a cost perspective, Keracolor U and Keracolor S would be considered our entry-level grouts and the least expensive grouts in the MAPEI's grout family.
But there is another choice when it comes to cement grouts. Our ANSI 118.7 high-performance cement grout comes to mind. And it is hard to go wrong with these two grouts, Ultracolor Plus FA and Ultracolor Plus Max. They are rapid setting and are designed to be an all-in-one replacement for both sanded and unsanded grouts. So Dave, what else can you tell us about these two grouts?
Well, Sam, they're both excellent grouts. They're formulated with a fine aggregate and are color consistent. In fact, Ultracolor Plus Max features the brightest white and the darkest black available on the market today. There's no effervescence with these grouts because there's no Portland cement. Both Ultracolor Plus FA and Ultracolor Plus Max utilize MAPEI's drop effect technology, which reduces surface absorption and helps repel water, dirt, and grime from grout joints.
And both of these grouts are rapid setting. This means that they can be exposed to foot traffic and immersion installations much sooner than a standard cement grout. However, if you need something that does not require any mixing, that is completely ready to use, the Flexcolor family of grouts, Flexcolor CQ, Flexcolor 3D, and Flexcolor Design are the answer. So Dave, can you tell us more about these products?
Definitely. These grouts have absolutely no mixing. You just open the bucket and go. There's also no sealing required. Flexcolor CQ uses MAPEI's coated quartz technology that ensures color consistency. All the grouts in this category are chemical and stain resistant and easy to clean. With our RTU grouts, the color you see in the bucket is the same color of the grout when installed.
Okay, speaking of color, this is where Flexcolor CQ, Flexcolor 3D, and Flexcolor Design, they happen to excel. There are 5 distinct color collections with 8 colors in each collection for a total of 40 colors available in Flexcolor CQ. So tell me about Flexcolor 3D.
Sure, Sam. Flexcolor 3D is a translucent grout with an iridescent finish. It's available in 10 unique designer colors. Not only does it reflect light, but it also refracts light. This allows the grout to transition in appearance to complement the color of the tile. The translucent effect is most noticeable with our color Crystal Moon. The other 9 colors have a more pronounced iridescent effect.
And what about Flexcolor Design?
Flexcolor Design uses the same RTU grout chemistry base as Flexcolor 3D, but adds a unique twist. Using MAPEI's color map system, which features cutting-edge computerized color matching technology, We create a grout that's perfectly matched to any color.
Like paint?
Exactly, but this is grout.
That's really cool. Can anybody create their own colors?
Actually, this product is exclusively for national brand accounts and commercial projects.
Okay, so now let's talk about epoxy grouts. Commercial and industrial projects are perfect for MAPEI's epoxy grouts. We have Kerapoxy CQ and Kerapoxy IEC CQ. Both of these grouts are great for use in commercial settings. And they also meet the ANSI specification for epoxy grouts, ANSI 118.3.
That's right, Sam. Kerapoxy CQ and Kerapoxy IEC CQ both use MAPEI's CQ technology, and they are 100% solids, water cleanable, easy to apply, easy to maintain, and color consistent. These epoxy grouts are also great for countertops, in high traffic areas, and in areas that need stain and chemical resistance, like commercial kitchens and bathrooms.
And Kerapoxy IEC CQ is an industrial grade epoxy grout.
Correct, Sam. MAPEI's chemically resistant industrial grade epoxy grout is Kerapoxy IEC CQ. It features high chemical and stain resistance and high temperature resistance. It can even be steam cleaned. Kerapoxy IEC CQ is perfect for use in commercial kitchens, meat packing plants, and in any institutional or commercial floor that requires daily industrial cleaning. Other grouts would deteriorate over time in the presence of fatty acids from commercial fryers in combination with the use of non-rinse enzymatic cleaners.
Whoa, Dave, you've given us a lot of information about MAPEI grouts. Thank you for taking the time to walk us through the basics.
You're welcome, Sam. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. I encourage anyone who needs more information to drop by our website at www.mapei.com and be sure to check out more episodes on MAPEI's YouTube channel. If you like what you just saw, ding that button down below and subscribe. And thanks for watching this edition of MTI-TV.